Hi everybody, it's Naviforce here. Today we are going to have an unboxing review, and the watch that we will unbox today is NF9110. Okay, let's begin. As you can see, the black outside cover is very nice. The quality here is very textured, and the logo Naviforce is well printed on the cover and on the center. Okay, let me read it off. There is an inside box here, and when you take out the inside box, you can see there is the guarantee card. And also there is an instruction manual. It is very clearly and convenient to help you adjust your new watch by watching this instruction manual. Okay, here is the watch that we will talk about today, the NF9110. This is a Quartz multifunctional watch. First, let's look at the back side. Okay, see the back side, you can know the model number here, NF9110, and you can know some other information like the material of this model and the professional waterproof for 380N. The case diameter of this model is 48 mm, and the thickness of this watch is 13.5 mm. The case is zinc alloy material, and the total length of this watch is 260 mm. The strap uses genuine leather, and the one side stitching lines of this strap is pretty delicate. Here the material is genuine leather. The quality of this leather strap is very nice. And the buckle of this watch is also very easy to wear. Okay, now move on more details about this watch. The design of the whole timepiece is military style, and it is hollow design, so you can see the movement from the front wheel. Which shows a sense of hardcore. Also, the 3-wheel shaped multifunctional windows with the same color and the size are placed at the 6, 9, and the 12 o'clock position. This one, the lower window at the 6 o'clock position is for the date display, and the left one window at the 9 o'clock position is for the 24-hour display, and the upper one of this model, the window is for the week display. Also, the right half design is like a dart. Very cool, right? It really captures people's sight if you put it on your wrist. This watch mainly uses camouflage as the color scheme of the whole design. There are a total of 5 colors here of this model. Here is the color black red, the contrasting color of the dial and the leather strap, the stitching lines is very cool. The next one is the next one is the black white. Okay, here this one is the color that we just talked about just now. This one is the black yellow. And this one is the color black brown. The last one color of this model is the rose gold brown. It looks really nice. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9110 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram and Facebook if you guys love us and want to see more interesting content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.